Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mighty's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. In today's video, we're going to be doing another PR unboxing by Born Pretty. They were kind enough to send me more products to review this month, and I'm so excited to share them with you. There are some very exciting products in this package that I'm pretty sure you've seen on Instagram, and I'm so excited to unbox it and just use it today. I've just been looking forward to these for weeks. So let's just immediately start with the first product. The first product that I'm opening now is the Reflective Cat Magnetic Gel, and it is in the shade 539048. I actually think I checked the website for this, but I wasn't sure which one it was. Oh wow! This is not what I was expecting at all. I actually thought this was going to be just a reflective polish, like those reflective glitter ones. Okay, so this actually is one of those rainbow magnetic gels. I want to swatch this real quick just so that we can see the color, because I have been looking forward to using these magnetic rainbow cat gels literally ever since they came up with them, so we're gonna be using it now. Is anything happening? Oh, there is, but it's light. Oh, there is. Okay. Okay, because I was starting to question my abilities. I can't really see it all that well. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and cure that, and we can move on to the next color. Okay, so next up we have the Born Pretty Glitter Top Coat. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh wow. I don't remember this either, so this is really cool. I'm pretty sure that this is their super top coat formula, so if that is it, then it's really great. This is a beautiful glitter top coat. I love it. Next up, we have the Luminous Macaron Gel. I was also super excited for this product because it is a glow-in-the-dark product, and I really kind of have an unhealthy obsession about glow-in-the-dark products like polygels and gels. So let's see. I think this is pink. Oh, it's purple. Ooh, I love it. Okay, this is definitely a color we're using today. I absolutely love this. You can definitely use this color for like Valentine's Day, even Easter, and this would look amazing. So yeah, I love this color so much. Next up, we have a gel color in BHW90, and as you can see, it's a really pretty pink, which would look absolutely amazing with the purple and the pink glitter top coat. So let's just go ahead and check this out. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I like this color. Kind of lost part of the cappy here. Such a cute color. I absolutely love it. It looks adorable. And yeah, it's just the perfect pastel shade. And finally, the product that I was most excited about this package is their Omnipotent Cat Magnetic Gel, which is this beautiful holographic gel. And here you can see it. I'm gonna bring it up close so you guys can see the sparkle. I want to try it and like really show you the sparkles. It's so cute. I love this color so much. And it's like more like basic silver, like more like a base color that you can use on top of other ones. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna be swatching this right now, but we will be using it on top of some of the colors. Again, a big thank you to Born Pretty for sending me all of these products to review. I'm so excited to put together a cute look for today. So yeah, let's jump straight into the nail art so we see what we come up with. Okay, so for today's look, we're gonna be using full cover tips, and I also will be using the solid glue that you saw me use in my previous video as well. This is not by Born Pretty. Sadly, the Born Pretty one was frozen and pretty much useless. And even though I warmed it up and used it in the video that I got it in, just went to the same condition again, and I had to, leave it aside for summer. So I'm just going to be applying all of the nails with the same method that you saw me apply in the previous video. Also, I know I sound a little different than from the intro. It's because I'm filming the audio on a different day than I did the unboxing, and my throat is not in the best condition. Thankfully it's not COVID, but I'm just a little sick because of the weather. So after all of the full cover tips have been cured, I'm gonna go ahead and apply 2 coats of the pink polish to 3 of my fingers, as you can see here, and my thumb. And then I'm going to be using the Luminous Macaron Gel, the purple one, on my 2 remaining fingers. And as I said, I'm going to be applying 2 coats of both polishes for the best result. And here is what they look like. And then on top of the pink, I will go ahead and use the Omnipotent Cat Gel, the rainbow one, as I like to call it. And I will try to use my magnet to make it as rainbowy as possible. Sadly, this does not reflect as well as it does in real life, but at the end of the video, I added some footage with the flashlight on, which makes it have like the best result on camera. And yeah, it looks the best, so stay tuned until the end to see the result and exactly how it looks like in real life. It's so cute. So yeah, you can kind of see the sparkle, but not that well, but I still really liked it. One thing that I found interesting about this polish is that I was expecting it to be a lot runnier, but it's actually a very thick polish, and I think that this is helping the cat effect work better, if that makes sense. Yeah, I was not expecting it, and I actually really like the consistency of this gel. So after all of the nails have been cured, I'm gonna go ahead and use my little tray and my detail brush, and I'm going to just do a little bit of an abstract design, like swirly lines on the 2 purple fingers. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to add here, so I just went ahead and I added some colors and I played around with the magnetic gel a little bit, and as you will see later on, I added some rhinestones. It's gonna look cute. So for the remaining nails, I had these cute little water decals that I got from a Valentine's Day box from last year. I think it was from the Glitter Pot Girls. And yeah, they gifted these to me and I really like them. I didn't get the chance to use them and I thought that they would look super cute for this look. So I just went ahead and I cut out all the ones that I wanted. I dipped them in water and then I went ahead and I applied them. And as you can see, they're kind of see-through. It's not like completely dense color. So you can still see the sparkle of the rainbow polish through that. So I loved that. That was such a great thing. After all of the nails have been cured, I went ahead and I took my Vanillisa nail glue and I added some of that onto the nails, and then I topped that off with some of the Born Pretty top coat, and I decided to use these cute little rhinestone hearts. I never actually got to use these, but I fell in love with them when I saw them and I just had to get them. And yeah, I just added those like in the middle of the swirly design we made. Then I went ahead and I added the layer of top coat to the rest of the nails. After everything is cured, I went ahead and I added some cuticle oil to nourish my cuticles. And here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like and a comment telling me what you thought, and subscribe for more videos every single Tuesday. Once again, thank you to Born Pretty for all the nice products they sent me this month. The Omnipotent Cat Gel is absolutely gorgeous. it really doesn't reflect well on camera, like as well as it reflects in real life. Also, both my husband and I were super surprised to see the purple gel come out of the lamp. Right about now I'm gonna add a snippet to show you what it looks like in real life and how it glows in the dark. These are some of like the most impressive glow-in-the-dark polishes I've seen. If you're a glow-in-the-dark fan like I am, you should definitely add these to your collection. So yeah, let me know what you thought of this look, what you thought of the products, and without further ado, I will see you guys next week with another video. Bye!